So what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check in online on Turkish Airlines. So we're currently here at turkishairlines.com and all you have to do is scroll down until you see this check-in or manage booking. Just click on it, and for us to proceed in checking in, all you have to do is enter your ticket number, or if you don't have a ticket number, you can also enter your reservation code or PNR. And next is passenger surname, and make sure that the surname you're going to enter is the same with the surname that is on your ID. Then once done, just click on this arrow button. And just by that, you should be able to check in and even manage your booking. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!